Hi everybody, welcome to another YouTube video slash tutorial on how to cool down after an intense workout. And guys, you can see I'm sweating. I just finished a full body workout and I'm going to show you how to cool yourself down, slow down your breath, no standing needed, just a comfortable mat or a cloth. You're going to get all the way down to cool you down. Let's get started on the mat. I like to start out with either child's pose or puppy stretch. So we're going to start with child's pose and then slowly go to puppy stretch. Five breaths here. Slowly close your legs and come straight to puppy. You're going to lengthen out and breathe. Take 5 breaths. Slowly come lying on your side. Lengthen your leg and we're going to slowly release here in, exhale out. 2 more in, exhale out, in, hold now for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All the way, come here, point and flex your toe. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Return and go all the way to the other side. Stay here, straight. Exhale 1, 2, 3. Now curve, flex and point the toes. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Return back on your mat. We're going to take cat cow. Inhale, head up. Exhale, round it. Inhale. Exhale. 2 more in. Exhale. The last one in. All the way, go deeper into the spine for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. You're going to come sitting, open up your thighs. Do some breathing in. Exhale. Inhale in. Exhale. And the last one in. Exhale. Now we're going to interlink our fingers, chest out, and come back and forward for 5, 3, 2, 1. We're going to finish up with some leg stretch here in half split. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now instead of bringing the leg, take it all the way to the side for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Return. Half split here for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All the way to the other side. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Return. We're going to come lying down on the mat now, facing up. to go side to side 4 times. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Well done, everybody. Slow down your breathing. Inhale, squeeze up in bridge. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. The last one in. Hold it for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good job. Now I'm going to take the leg over and hop this one like in a reclined pigeon. Half pigeon. 5, 4, 3. You see now you're getting better with the breathing. 2, 1. Reach for the ankles. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Lengthen out for another 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Return. Switch. Here. Stretch those hamstrings. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Grab the ankles, pull. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Stretch it for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly lengthen out. Both knees up. Supine twist for 5 seconds each. Slow your breath down for 5. Switch over to the other side. For finishing up today, we're going to take happy baby. In case you did some lower workout on the lower body, we're going to stretch all the way down here. Reach for the toes or grab here and stay for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Release 1, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Switch. Half happy baby on the other side. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now guys, lengthen out and all the way go to shavasana. Try to slow down your breath. Try to slow down your breath. Inhale and exhale. And guys, that completes our cool down stretch after workout. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, like this video, leave your comment, and I'm going to see you in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.